Namaste, I'm Koettig. Welcome to your 15-minute morning stretch. This is good for anybody, any day, no matter how you're feeling. It's going to help you get into your groove of feeling good quickly and set you up for a beautiful day. I know for myself that if I prioritize just a little bit of movement in the morning, I'm a nicer, happier person. So when you are ready, please meet me in the middle of your mat. If you'd like to follow along with the playlist, you'll find that linked just below this video. Take that link and it will send you to Spotify. When you're ready, let's press play in 3, 2, and 1. All right. Child's pose when you're ready. Press your hips back towards your heels. Stretch your fingertips forward. Take a deep breath in. And a big breath out. Claw your finger pads a little bit more forward and bring your chin to the mat if you can. Tent your fingertips onto the ground so that you have little teepees with your hand and breathe into your armpits. Such an understretched part of the body, yeah? But ooh, changes how we stand and how we breathe. Big breath here. Full breath out. Maybe open up your knees a little bit wider. There you go. Take a deep breath. And breathe out. Inhale, tabletop position. Claw your finger pads into the mat. Separate your hands nice and wide. Tuck your toes under and bring your knees just an inch behind the hips. Nice and easy. Inhale, cow pose. Drop your belly, pull your heart through the window of your arms. Exhale, round up and in, cat pose. Again, with your breath, inhale. Exhale. Last time, inhale. And exhale. Listen, this time, inhale, step your right foot forward, drop your pelvis down to the ground, lift your chest. Exhale, rock back, Ardha Hanumanasana, half splits. You're folding to the instep of the leg. And again, just move with your breath. Breathe in, low lunge. Exhale, half splits, variation. Again, breathe in. And breathe out. All right, come forward and just step your right foot back, modified side plank, and reach your right bicep by the ear here. Tuck your tailbone under and try to get really long from your left hip to your left armpit. And stand into the inner edge of your right foot and really stretch through the right fingertips. Big breath in. Exhale, hand to the mat and lower down to your belly. Tops of the feet onto the earth. Claw your hands to the sides of your chest and widen your elbows out to your sides. And come up into a wide arm cobra. Nothing crazy, nothing crazy. Pelvis down, heart forward. Just enjoy rising up, right? To the first light of the day. Heart open and undefended. Big breath in. Exhale all the way forward and down. Beautiful. Hands underneath your shoulders. Press up to a tabletop position. Inhale, cow pose. Drop your belly, heart down. Exhale, round up and in, cat. Right away, left foot steps forward. Inhale, lunge pose. Draw your low belly up towards your navel and lift the sternum up through the crown of the head. Exhale, half splits, Ardha Hanumanasana, variation, rock back. Inhale, lunge, long through the torso. Exhale, back. Just one more time. Inhale. And exhale. As you come forward, pivot your right foot to the side, right hand down, and take a modified Vashisthasana side plank variation. So tuck your tailbone under here. and get really long from the hips to the armpit chest, and see if you can stand into the inner edge of the left foot and reach through the fingertips. Think Ardha Chandrasana, standing Ardha Chandrasana, big stretch to the sides of the body. And then hand down to the ground, we lower to our belly. Tops of the feet onto the earth, and we come up again just with a wide arm cobra, nothing crazy. The width of the elbows helps promote length in the sides of the body, which helps us open our heart. Even if you're just right here, that's okay. Think tailbone back to your big toes and central column of the spine long. Take a deep breath. Beautiful. Now we go to downward facing dog. Press from your heart into your hands. Lift your hips higher to the sky. Yes. Take a deep breath in here. And a big breath out. Again, breathe in. And breathe out. Look forward. Exhale, step, float, hop, top of the mat. Uttanasana, forward fold. Just stay here for a breath. You can rest your pinkies in the crooks of opposite elbows, or if you would like, tie your fingertips together behind your back. Yeah. Try easy. If your hands are interlaced, it's important that the elbows are bent and the palms move to touch. Yeah. All right. Release your hands. Inhale, halfway lift. And exhale, fold. Inhale, roll up, roll up. One vertebrae at a time. Good. And then reach your arms to the sky, upward reaching pose. Exhale, hands just to your heart. Take a deep breath in. And a big breath out. All right, inhale, reach your arms up to the sky. Side bend to the right, reach your left arm overhead. You can take any variation you like. You can interlace your hands. You can bring your right hand to your hip. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, sweep the arm down in front of you. Inhale, rise to center. Exhale, side bend to the left. All right, sweep the arm, inhale, rise to center. Look up, maybe palms touch. Exhale, forward fold, Uttanasana. Inhale, lengthen halfway. Exhale, step your left toes back onto the mat. Drag the knee forward. Inhale, Anjaneyasana, look up, reach up. Exhale, hands to the mat, step back, and then from your toes or from your knees, lower to your belly. Inhale, cobra or up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Left foot steps forward, knee to the ground. Inhale, Anjaneyasana. Exhale, forward fold, top of the mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, stand all the way up, look up, palms touch. Exhale, hands just at your heart, Samastitihi. All right, inhale, reach up. This time, side bend to the left, right arm overhead. Sweep the arm down, inhale, reach to center. Exhale, Ardha Chandrasana, left arm reaches. Sweep to center, inhale, Urdhva Hastasana, just reach up from the center of your heart through the fingertips. Exhale, forward fold, Uttanasana. Inhale, halfway lift. Listen, exhale, step the right toes back. Inhale, high lunge. Just take it easy. You don't have to do anything super crazy. Just reach up. Yes, like a good morning stretch. Breathe in. Exhale, hands take the weight. Step back from your toes or from your knees. Lower chaturanga. Inhale, cobra or up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Right foot forward, nice and easy. High lunge, rise up. Stay here just for one more breath. Nothing perfect, nothing fancy, just glad to be alive today. There you go. Exhale, forward fold, top of the mat. Inhale, halfway lift, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, forward fold, Uttanasana. Inhale, rise all the way up. Exhale, hands just to your heart. Pause for a breath. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale, reach to sky. Exhale, touch the earth, sit low. Inhale, chair pose, reach up. Swim the arms back. Exhale, chair plane. Into your breath. Inhale, chair. Exhale, chair plane. Last time, inhale, chair. Feel those quads. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, high plank, top of a push-up. Good. Now we go right hand down, right knee towards the mat, and open up to that modified Vashisthasana. Good. So take one big breath here. Exhale, push down and rise to center. We go to gate pose, okay? Inhale, rise up. Exhale, side bend, up and over. Stamp into the inner edge of the foot. Reach overhead. Take one more breath. Full circle with the arm. Listen, right hand goes down. Now lift your left leg up. Flex the foot. Take a deep breath. Draw your knee into your chest. Reach for the top of the foot and start to kick back. So nothing crazy. Just find that quadricep stretch here. Take your inner and outer shoulder blades back so the front of the heart is opening. Keep the left shin hugging down towards the earth so there's not pressure on the outer knee. Feel that quadricep and stretch from the pelvis through the femur bone of the left leg into the knee. Take one more breath. Kick the foot free. Listen, step up and just take a runner's lunge. Yep. Keep the back thigh vertical and fold nice and close to the left leg. Beautiful. Take one more breath. Full breath out. All right. And then lift your back knee up. Good. Inhale, kick your left leg high, bend the knee, shake it out. Good, and then left foot down. You come forward, high plank, left foot down. Reach your right arm forward into that side plank variation. You rise up, breathe in, and then gate pose. Try to take the tailbone down, low belly up, and press into the big toe ball mound of the foot. Take a deep breath. Full circle with the arm as you exhale. Kick your right foot up. You can stay here or capture the hand with the foot and start to kick and curl. Yes. Inner thigh, or inner and outer shoulder back. Square your chest, your chin straight over your chest and curl. 3. Yes. 2. All right, release the foot and step up, top of the mat. Just take a runner's lunge for a few breaths. All right, look up. Turn your right toe slightly out and step up, Malasana frog squat. Yes. Hug your outer knees to your outer hips and stretch inner thighs to inner knees. Lift your chest here. Beautiful. Take a few breaths, spine long, widening from the pelvis out through the feet. Here for 3. Last 2, listen, hook your thumbs, arms overhead, take a deep breath in. Woo, stand into your legs, reach up. And then bring your feet together, hands to your heart. Bow your head to your heart. Honor yourself for taking the time to care for your body, mind, and spirit. Namaste.